Introducing the PaMu Karaoke Bluetooth 5.0 headset. It is an affordable, high-end stereo Bluetooth headphone which encompasses style with functionality. The packaging is nice, with good graphics and details. Let's go ahead to dive into what this headphone has to offer. Inside the box, you will find a case containing the headphone and its accessories. The case has a nice stitching to it which makes it feel more elegant and stylish. Inside the case, you will find one PaMu Karaoke headphone, a user guide, an AUX cable, and a USB-C charging cable for the PaMu Karaoke headphone. You will also get a strap for you to strap the PaMu Karaoke headset casing to you when you are out and about. It also comes with an additional clip-on magnetic microphone rod for you to use it when you are having a karaoke session. Cool. On the left side of the headset you have the USB-C charging port, power toggle switch and AUX slot for you to connect the headphone directly to the computer should you wish to not use the Bluetooth wireless function. It has a nice metallic matte print to it, which looks really awesome. Also it is free size. The headset will be able to stretch to fit your head comfortably. On the right side of the headset, you will find the volume rockers, which is designed and easily accessible for you to control when you are jamming your beats. It has two rocket LED lamps on the side of the headset and it looks epic. Really cool. Also you have an adjustable headrest on the headset where you can extend it to your most comfortable level. Ergonomic design. Easily connect to it via Bluetooth. Once it is turned on, it will auto-enable Bluetooth and you can search for it on your Bluetooth settings and connect to it right away. It will remember your device and auto-pair whenever available. Jam right away on your headset. Plus, you can get hands-free control over your phone, control the volume remotely, also single touch and release to pause and play. Hold down the volume rockers to forward and backwards control your playlist. Also you can control your call settings with the touchpad too. Enjoy hands-free control on the PaMu Karaoke. I can't help but just fall in love with the design, elegance and sophisticated design of this headset. It looks dope. Also mentioning about the comfortability of this headset, you can be rest assured, you will get the most comfortable ear cushions as by far, out of so many headset I have owned, the PaMu Karaoke's comfortability level is the best. It is super soft and supple, even the headrest is super comfortable. Now I will try out the karaoke feature of this headset. Just attach the mic to the headset, it will automatically enable the karaoke feature. Also if you connect by AUX cable, the LED rocket lamps will blink red to show the AUX function activated. Right now, after activating the karaoke feature, you can sing along to whatever song you are listening to and you will be able to hear your own voice in your ears. They sound fantastic and immersive. It is so impressive, you can now have karaoke in your own house at any time anywhere and start singing along to your favorite beats now. We find the PaMu Karaoke headphones an amazing product. It works as advertised, also the pricing is affordable and it makes as a good device for you to satisfy your music cravings. Listen to high quality audio and sing along with your favorite songs now. We will recommend this product for its performance, durability, affordability